joined here by Gavin Pink, Series 1 RS Turbo, Fiat Innocenti.
How's it go, chat?
Gavin's personal car, Cosworth 24 valve V6.
If you like your old school Fiestas, definitely keep watching. Oops. Sorry, Dad.
Fiestaland.
Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and today you join me from the cockpit of my dad's Mk2 Escort. But today is not about this car, it's all about Esther, my ST170 powered Mk1 Escort, because today she's finally going in to have her damage repaired. It's been months since some numpty crashed into the back of Esther while she was broken down at the side of the road, so it's about time we got her back looking her best. I'm taking her to see Gavin Pink at the paint shop, and it's fair to say that him and his team are absolute geniuses when it comes to refinishing cars, and I'm very excited to let Gavin and his team loose on her. So right now I need to get myself over to Esther's garage. I need to swap her carbon boot lid for her original metal one, because it's better to line up new panels with the genuine Ford boot. So I'll catch up with you when I get to the garage.
Alright, so made it to the garage. In fact, I've been here for a little while already, and Esther is just about ready to go on the truck. I've removed the carbon front lip just to make it easier to get it on the truck, and I've fitted her original metal boot lid, which is going to be much better for lining the new rear quarter panel up, because it is getting a new rear quarter panel and a new rear panel. I will talk more about exactly what is going to be getting done to Esther when we get to Gavin Pink's. My good friend Danny Coogan's here, helping me with transporting Esther today. And yeah, it looks like the truck is just about ready for me to drive Esther on. Well, she's on there, but only just. Chassis leg is just touching this bit of carpet that we've got down on the bed of the truck, but yeah, she's on. And now the heavens have opened up, which is not ideal. Anyway, Danny's gonna get her strapped down and then we'll make our way to Gavin Pink's.
This looks like the place.
Alright, so we've got Esther safely here to the paint shop. Plenty of other really cool cars in the workshop, which we'll have a look at in a minute. I'm joined here by Gavin Pink, owner of Gavin Pink at the paint shop.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, welcome to the channel. Thanks for taking on the job of repairing Esther.
It's all right. Yeah, we're looking forward to it actually.
Cool.
Yeah.
I've been following your work on social media, on YouTube, Facebook and stuff, so I know she's in good hands.
Yeah, she'll be fine.
Now you will be able to follow the progress of Esther's repair in more detail on Gavin's YouTube channel. But for now, do you want to explain briefly exactly what we're going to be doing?
Definitely. Right, so first obviously take it all apart. We're going to be fitting a new quarter panel that's arrived for it.
Panel's already
There
coming.
it is.
Yeah.
New back panel as well.
Yeah.
We're probably not going to go right up to the roof here. We'll go down through here somewhere.
Yeah.
Back panel off. Obviously prep it up, and then we're just going to do all the paint we need to underneath in the boot. You know, yeah. We'll just make it look how it's got to look again.
Yeah. So a lot of work to be done, but
yeah, plenty of work.
probably walk in the park for you guys.
Yeah. No, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
It'll be good.
No,
yeah.
brilliant.
And, yeah, you won't know we've touched it.
Yeah.
Well, we will, because the dent will be good.
It'll probably make the rest of the car look bad.
No. It looks, you know, it's a tidy car, isn't
Nah,
it?
to
Really
be
is
fair,
a tidy car.
the guy who done the paint job for me, DJ Rev,
Yeah.
shout out to him. But yeah, he did do a nice job.
Yeah, no, it does. It looks good.
I'm excited to, as I say, follow progress on your channel, hopefully, if you've got time
we'll
to
have
film it all.
right through. We'll record all of it and show you guys what we're doing.
Ah, brilliant.
All the way.
I look forward to seeing that. Now, I know Gavin and his team are really busy, so I don't want to be in their way for too long. But before I go, let's have a quick look around some of the other cars in the workshop. Check out the Series 1 RS Turbo that belongs to Gavin's friend. It's obviously been painted by the guys here, looking absolutely pristine. Still needs to be put back together and stuff, but yeah, this is gonna make a really, really nice example. Obviously, CVH Turbo in the bay. Really, really cool. Over here, we've got a Fiat Innocenti, I think it's pronounced. How's it go, Cat?
Innocenti.
This has had a lot of fab work done by someone else before it came here, including the arches and the really extensive roll cage. Loving the carbon tillet bucket seat in there. The guys here have been doing a bit of fab work to do with mounting the seats and need to sort out mounting for the pedal box as well. And then it will be taken back, stripped, and then it'll be coming back here next year to have the paint done. What a cool little thing. Over here we've got Gavin's personal car. Check this thing out. Ford Sierra with a Cosworth 24 valve V6 in the bay, running on individual throttle bodies in the correct colour, Olympic blue. Check out all the decals around it and stuff. Really, really race car. And just check out this cockpit. Carbon fibre on the dash. Got a fire extinguisher down there. Really nice Sparco bucket seats. Proper cage in the back. What an absolute machine. Loving the plastic windows with the sliders. Proper fuel cell in the back there. And a really, really tasty carbon spoiler. Now that is really special. If we go into the paint mixing room, check this place out. All the paints and stuff stacked on the shelves with all the spray guns. And in the booth at the moment, got a Mk2 Escort that you may have seen on my channel. This was actually at Clump Fabs a while ago. And yeah, it's come here for the paintwork, and I've been following progress of this car on Gavin's YouTube channel, and he's got some E-type Jag parts that have been painted in there as well. So as you can see, it's a proper operation down here, and I'm feeling very comfortable about Esther's upcoming repair job. All right, Gavin, William, we're going to get out your way, but massive thanks in advance for your hard work, and I look forward to seeing progress of Esther's repair on your YouTube channel.
Yeah,
cool,
definitely.
man. I'll speak to you soon.
Thank you very much.
See you later, Ronnie. Oh, what an awesome place that is. It's really cool to see it in real life after seeing it a number of times on their YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm really, really looking forward to checking out the progress of Esther's repair on their channel. Yeah, I highly recommend you guys subscribe to their channel and give them a follow on Facebook and Instagram so you can see all the cool stuff that they get up to. I'm actually going to be going to meet up with another YouTuber now who has been on the channel before, but it's the first time I've been to his place. If you like your old school Fiestas, definitely keep watching. Oh, I wish I had more, man. Check these roads out. Gone the wrong way, my sat-nav is rubbish. Oops. Sorry, Dad. Sat-nav let me down big time, but I've just about made it. Some of you may recognise this ST Fiesta. Alright, so I'm here in Fiestaland with Mitch, aka Mk2 Mitch on YouTube, and his dad Keith. Great to have a catch up, and they're just showing me what they've been up to with their Fiestas. But yeah, you would have seen this Mark II on the channel a few times. Mitch has come to some of the meets that I've been to. Absolutely mint, fully restored by himself. And if you haven't already done so, definitely subscribe to his channel to see what he's been up to and what he's going to be up to in the future. Definitely some exciting stuff coming up, but we'll say no more on that. More recently on Mitch's channel, I've been following progress of this build. This is Keith's Mk1 Fiesta, and they've whacked an ST170 lump in it. That's going to be a seriously cool car when it's on the road. How long do we reckon? Next year?
Next year.
Next year,
Yeah,
cool. Yeah, I'm loving the colour-coded rocker cover, man. It's something I originally did with Esther, but I had some problems with reaction and stuff. But yeah, what an awesome project. The colour coding hasn't stopped at the rocker cover. There's the tie rod and stuff there. And he's even colour coded the engine cross member. Yeah, look how clean this is under here. Awesome. I like how you've painted the engine block silver as well. It shows up the oil leaks better, that's why I do it. Well, I know you guys are busy this afternoon, but great to have a quick catch up. Time for me to get back on the road and head home. I do wonder what's in there though.
Alright, so back in the Mark III, and it's time for me to get myself through these countryside roads and then get back on the motorway so that I can head home. Mitch and Keith are so lucky to have these cool roads around here, although Mitch's Mk2 Fiesta is pretty mint underneath, so I'm sure he might not agree. Do make sure you check out Mitch's channel if you haven't already done so. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Always loads of cool stuff going on there, and although I'm not allowed to tell you what it is, there's something really cool coming to his channel very soon, which I am really excited about. Anyway, I think that's just about going to do it for this video. Really happy that I've finally taken Esther to be repaired, and I'm feeling very confident about the situation after seeing how good Gavin and his team are at what they do. Don't forget, check out their channel to see what they get up to, including watching Esther go through their repair process. And I'm hoping to pop back down there to see them part way through the job as well, which would be really cool. And seeing as Esther is going to be with Gavin and his team for about 6 weeks, I'm going to be making good use of the temporary extra garage space when it comes to starting on my new project. So if you thought this video was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe to keep up to date with all my future uploads, and check the links in the description to my social media and my website. I'll also leave my email address down there for anyone who wants to contact me. Massive thanks as always to each and every one of you for your continued support of my channel. But other than that, until next time, thanks for watching.